Hey there, welcome to my channel. My name is Kristen and today I'm going to show you how I did this set inspired by Vee NailedIt. For this set, the colors that I'm going to be using are Notpolish Nude Panther, and then I'm also going to be using by Notpolish Birthday Bee. It is part of their O.M.G collection. So my niece fell in love with the color Birthday Bee by Notpolish and knew she wanted to use that for her birthday set. And she really liked the picture by Vee NailedIt. She had brought me that also. And I thought they would work well together to recreate what Vee had done on her channel. She had actually had some hand-painted dots underneath the swirls, and they were really pretty. But luckily this has some chunky glitter, which kind of gives it that effect. I'm going to go ahead and place a nice thin layer of Birthday Bee 2/3 of the way down the nail. I'm just going to tap it all the way down to the tip, making sure it's nice and fully covered. You can see in the picture at the beginning of the video, my niece actually wanted a shorter, rounder set. And I figured since every nail was the same, instead of filming it, I would just go ahead and recreate it on my single finger and do it in a longer version. And I did go ahead and change the shape on it just so you could see how it would look different ways. Just let me know down in the comment section what you guys think of these videos. Do you like these shorter single design videos? And would you like me to do more of them? But the glitter has cured, I'm going to go ahead and ombre that Nude Panther over the glitter. I'm going to place my first bead just at the end of the glitter and pull it up over very lightly. I'm going to place my second bead closer to the cuticle and go ahead and tap it into the cuticle and blend the rest of it up over my first bead. I will use smaller beads to go ahead and just perfect my ombre or anywhere else that I may need one to pull it up, just to make things look even and nice and smooth before I cap.
Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you.
To cap, I'm going to go ahead and use Notpolish Clear. I'm going to go ahead and place my first bead right at where the two colors meet, where my ombre starts. And I'll go ahead and just pull it down over the glitter. And I will feather it back over the Nude Panther some also. I don't need to cover it all the way up to the cuticle because that is a strength powder. It is fine. I just want to make sure that my glitter is fully encapsulated before I do my file out. I will be filing and buffing off camera as usual, and then I will be back to do the hand-painted art. To draw my squiggly lines, I'm going to use the Notpolish gel liners. I'm going to use White Lies, which is their white one. And I'm just going to draw my little squiggly lines and give them a real good cure before doing my top coat. She did opt for this set in shiny, so I went ahead and used Gloss-it by Notpolish And so I will do the same for my practice finger. I'm going to go ahead and just put a nice coat on there, pressing it into the nail art so that it smooths everything out. And then give it a good 60-second cure. Does wrap up my video. I'll go ahead and leave a little video of the practice finger for you, along with the picture that I posted of my niece's set on Instagram. And I just want to thank you for watching. If you could, please like, share, and subscribe, and be sure to hit that little bell so you're notified when I post a video. I really appreciate it. It helps my channel out a lot, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye. Tener niños y estar en un altar. Tu belleza, eso no se me olvida. Ni tus besos y tus chistes al azar.